Alright, here we go, back on video. This is part 2, because the BlackBerry turned off. Connor Russell, here we go. Very nice video, Con. Say hi, WebChilling, here we go. Here we go, Russell, here we go. Come see me! What you didn't see on video was me flake out all over Serge. Why throwing snowballs? Hi, nice lady. You want to be in our video? Hi. There goes rookie number Con. There's Russell. Come on, Con! Right out! Right out! Come on, pussy, get up! Come on, right out, right out, right out! Oh, face plant.
I got this shit.
This shit got you. He's back on the ground.
Why did you go that way?
Hi, little boy. Nice to see you. Killer Russell, Killer Russell. Woo! Woo! I'm going with Serge.
Stop following, motherfucker.
Oh, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up! Right out, right out, right out, right out! You almost got that girl. You alright?
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's his first day. No, it wasn't your fault. Wait for Con. What are you doing?
Yeah, that part's scary. Con's probably crawling down the mountain.
We're on a green trail.
I just came off the bunny slope. Skills.
That should be the name of our website. I just came off the bunnyslopebitch.com. Come on, you gonna get up? What are you doing?
Well, no, I'm waiting for them. Which one? Fine, you want to go?
Wait, hold on.
I can see at the bottom.
Hold on, wait. I don't even see where. Wow, you went so far. Face first. Awesome. That's enough of Serge. It's my turn. Me on the camera. Sorry for you guys watching this at home. I'm probably going to try to cut this part out. Hey, this guy's recording some shit too. He's recording some girl doing some stuff.